I believe that you need a criminal defense attorney as soon as you know that there's an investigation going on that you're the target of. The sooner you hire counsel who can instruct you how to handle the situation, the better. There are two categories in criminal offenses: misdemeanors and felonies. Obviously, felonies are more serious, misdemeanors are less serious and taken care of it in the local county where you live. Felony cases, convictions can be sent to state prisons, state institutions. I would advise people who have just been charged with their first criminal offense to get an experienced attorney who knows the courts locally where they've been charged. It's important that you have an attorney that knows the judge, knows the procedure, knows the prosecutor, and can get you a good result. All judges are different, and that's no exception in this area. The local judges here are all very professional and very good judges, but they're all different in their personalities, and they have different procedures and how they like to run things. So I know all of the local judges' procedures and policies, and that helps me guide clients through the system a lot easier. The things that clients are worried about when they call me are normally punitive: jail, excessive fines, those sorts of things. So I reassure them that we can help them with that, minimize the damage, make sure that they don't go to jail for an unjust period of time or go to jail, period, depending on the facts and circumstances, of course. I don't seek high-profile cases out. I've had many of them. When there is a presumption of guilt, that does give me a challenge, and that ferret out the facts that would show that my client isn't guilty. That's enjoyable. That's a challenge, and I've been very successful at doing that in many of these type of cases. Knowing the facts inside and out, leaving no stone unturned, talking to witnesses, knowing the case better than the state, ferreting out the good facts for you and making sure that the court's aware of those and that juries are aware of the good facts for your clients. That's what's challenging and enjoyable for me. I do not believe that anyone should ever represent themselves in a criminal matter, even if it's a misdemeanor offense. Misdemeanor convictions can have a serious impact on your life, getting jobs, all sorts of problems can come with convictions. So you should hire an experienced attorney to help you through the process. A person who's been charged with a criminal offense can avoid having that placed on their record through court diversion programs. Basically, a diversion program is a probationary period that, if successfully completed, the case gets dismissed and you can expunge your record. The state carries the burden of proof in a criminal case. The burden of proof in all courts in this country is beyond a reasonable doubt. Beyond a reasonable doubt is defined as that level of doubt that you use in making the most important decisions in your life, like buying a house or getting married, those sorts of things. You can appeal your case in certain circumstances. If you go to trial and are convicted, you have an automatic right of appeal. If you take a plea bargain, your right to appeal is limited to whether you were given your rights at your plea hearing and whether you understood what was going on at your plea hearing. I like looking for the good qualities in people, and I enjoy making sure the court knows the good qualities of my client. And I really do feel that way, that If a lawyer doesn't believe that there's something good in his client, it's hard for him to advocate for them. I see the good in people, and even some of my worst clients there's good in. So I like to make sure the court is aware of those traits that are redeemable. Making sure that my clients are treated fairly. That makes me feel like I've done something of quality for people. And that's what's rewarding to me.